In this video, we will look at which template should you use for your website on Squarespace. So Squarespace has got a bunch of free templates that you can use to build your website from scratch. So let's see some of the templates. Click on Get Started to see the templates. Here you can see some of the templates that are created by Squarespace. On the top of the site, you can see some of the filters that you can apply according to your requirements. For example, if you have got a local business, you can select it. If you have got a travel business, if you want to create a website for fashion, you can click fashion. And here you will see some amazing fashion templates. You can choose the type as well. If you have got an online store or a blog, fashion blog, you can choose any of them. So now I'm going to scroll down and see which one I like. I like this black one. I'm going to preview it. And here you can preview the template. And if you like it, you can click on start with this design. At the end of the day, it totally depends on your requirements and needs. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.